This project will probably moon soon. And in this quick alpha video, I will like to explain you why I think so. First of all, not financial advice, of course, all just for education purpose, right? I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research. You know the rules, guys, right? But let me show you this project. It's called Satoshi Runners. It was already minted a month ago, a few weeks ago, I don't know, don't remember. And you know me, I have always a specific reason if I'm bullish on a project, and I always like to explain why, right? The why is very important in this game, so you can understand, man, this can really moon, okay? So let me start with this one. The art, yes, is awesome, but it's not just the art. First of all, I was find this project by looking at a YouTube video from Brad Balinovsky. Brad Balinovsky is, you know them probably. He has an NFT called NFT Academy, so you can learn with if you own this NFT, you are in this group and can learn from them how launch your own project. I'm also, by the way, in this group. Will also launch soon my project, but that's another story. But the thing is, I watched this video because the founder from the Satoshi Runners was also in his group, and he was also already a six-figure successful entrepreneur, right? And he was launched this project, and in this video I will link it in my description below. You can watch the founder basically to talking about how he was promoting his product, his NFT launch, the Satoshi Runners. And it's very interesting, and you understand the founder behind this, the thoughts process behind this project, right? And that's how he made this project successful. And because yeah, it has an awesome website, it has an awesome art. The art is just rock star in my opinion, right? But it was not enough for me to buy this NFT, to be really bullish on it, because normally the founder was planned to make just a nice NFT with a nice cyberpunk art, right? And he made it, and it was awesome, and people minted this. But because it was so successful, the founder decided to make actually a utility behind this NFT. And this, ladies and gentlemen, makes me extremely bullish. Let me explain you the utility behind this and why I think it will skyrocket. So first of all, you maybe know another video from me where I explained why I'm so bullish on the Habibis. You remember? Also, video about Habibis in the description, right? That's the Habibis, and that's a marketplace. And on this marketplace, you can buy whitelists. And this is awesome. You don't need to grind for them. You can buy them. You can buy them with oil. And oil you can stake with the NFTs, which are the Habibis. And the Habibis are right now with the floor price 0.9 ETH. So guess what? The Satoshi Runners made exactly the same thing, right? They made exactly the same thing, and yes, why not? And it works. Let me show you. They have their own coin right now. It's called Satoshi, and this is their marketplace. And look at this right now, because they're pretty fresh. They don't have any kind of NFT of whitelist spots, which you can buy right now. But today, I remember today I was today this here one NFT. Let me show which NFT it was. I don't remember, but there was this project here, Anti-Social Anime Club. I think this project will be also really nice. I don't really research this, but all this manga meta is really in common right now, and people could buy this, right, for 76 Satoshi. So to get 10 Satoshis, you need to stake your Satoshi Runner for 1 day, okay? you stake it one day. So you just need to stake your Satoshi Runners NFT a week, and you have a whitelist from Antisocial Animal Club, Anime Club. That's what they made right now, right? And you see here Cyber, Hunt, Kazuke. A lot of them I don't know. I know Homies, Faces. I have, by the way, whitelist spot for them. Alright, and they sell also Bobo token. A lot of things I don't know, to be honest, but they sell also their own NFTs in their marketplace, right? So the Satoshi Runners. The Satoshi Runners right now on OpenSea are 0.14, and you can see on ICU tools, right? So this is right now, they cool down a little bit, and right now I don't know what happens here. So somebody bought for 0.1, so this is maybe a good time to scoop some of them up, right? If you buy one Satoshi Runner, you can stake it, okay, and you will earn every day 10 Satoshi. Means in 10 days 300 Satoshi. In 1 month you have 1000 Satoshi, right? And normally right now you cannot swap it on SushiSwap or something. You cannot buy it. You can just get it through staking. You can buy it on an official marketplace in their Discord. So some people sell their Satoshi, but it's risky a little bit. You can get scammed, right? So the only way right now is to get this Satoshi Runners and stake it. And the thing behind them, I want you understand, there is a real smart founder behind this. So as you can see in this YouTube video from Brett Malinowski, where he made an interview, he was coached by Brett Malinowski or Crypto Brando. I don't know one of these guys, because Brett Malinowski and Crypto Brando are in this NFT Academy, right? And this guy were already a very successful entrepreneur. They know what they're doing, right? And normally the plan was to make just a JPEG, and he was also honest regarding this. He tells also, this is just a JPEG, this is just an art NFT, and people love it so much, it was sold out, and he thought, okay, why not? Let's keep crushing it, and let's create then this utility for our community. And yes, they made this, and that's right now the second whitelist marketplace, or on also different NFT marketplace. You saw they have also an NFT from We Gonna Make It Studios for 600 Satoshi. I don't know. This is like a gift. I mean, it was like who first clicked, got it. They got also a BB Bobo token, right? Antebellum, and yes, so you stake your Satoshi Runners, you got Satoshis, and you have a real awesome utility behind this. If you have an awesome utility, and it's also an awesome art, and we saw this already with the Habibis, right? Look at this. Habibis made exact the same thing. They started this thing. Satoshi Runners just don't reinvent the wheel, right? And Habibis was in the beginning, 0.15 or some things, and there were also a time they go near to zero, but as soon the founder kicked in the whitelist spot and the real utility, it's skyrocketed until 1.3, and it's very stable price right now 0.9. That's my alpha for you guys for today. Of course, not financial advice. You know the things, right? If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like there, subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment some things in my on my YouTube video. Maybe you want to see me to research a project which you like, or to explain some other things, how to trade NFTs, etc., etc. I would love if you do this. I will react on this, and I will do this video. Why not? Right? And also in my description you can find my Twitter. You can find my Discord group, my private Discord group. You're free to join, free to follow me. I keep adding value, and I hope you like this, guys. Love you. Stay safe and peace.